Hi, I got this Turkish currency called Lira from TD Bank Canada. It costed me $100 for 2,400 liras. When you look at the exchange, it is $86 worth only. So the TD Bank gave really bad exchange rate. This is May 2025. So we'll look at each of these denomination in close up. So this is 5 liras. You see this hollow gram on the right side of the currency. This is the back. Let's see, 20 now. $50. $100. And in the end, 200. Thanks for watching.